And this is Mr. DanielPojmaevich who will be presenting. Let's welcome him warmly.
Good morning, class of speech and debate. Today I'm going to be presenting to you about developing a proper dental hygiene. Why is this important, you might say? Because did you know, 49% of men in the United States actually brush their teeth twice a day. And did you know that 56.8% of women brush their teeth twice a day? So if you think about it, actually more than half of men in the United States don't brush their teeth twice a day. That's kind of gross, because that actually accumulates bacteria in your mouth, and that creates bad breath and yellow teeth are nasty. Why is having good oral hygiene important? Because dental plaque that accumulates in your mouth can create dental calculuses, which create tooth decay, which is carbohydrates in your teeth that react with sugar, create acids, which actually start decaying the protective layers in your teeth. Gum disease, gingivitis. If you don't brush your teeth every day, your gums start to swell up. And that's kind of disgusting because you can actually go into surgery if your gums swell up. Also halitosis. Halitosis is bad breath. Nobody wants to have bad breath. If you're talking to someone right in their faces and you have bad breath, it's not appealing, it's kind of disgusting. So you want to make sure that you avoid these type of things. And you know how? Let me show you. Brushing. You should brush for at least 2 minutes every day, or at least listen to a song while you're brushing your teeth. Because it's not about how hard you scrape your teeth, but actually how long you scrape your teeth to remove the most dental plaque. You have to use a fluoride toothpaste because that creates a protective layer after brushing your teeth, which prevents further dental calculuses and dental plaque. Toothbrush is more hair and more effective, and brushing harder does not remove more plaque. According to the college website, Colgate website, you have to place your toothbrush in your mouth at a 45-degree angle on the sides of your teeth. Brush gently in a small and circular vibratory motion all across your mouth and on the top of your mouth and on the front sides of your teeth. This way, you have the most effective way of removing plaque. Also, you can buy a toothbrush with a tongue scraper because most of the bacteria that cause bad breath come from your tongue and your gums. So you want to make sure you scrape your tongue, because that's kind of disgusting. You know, when you wake up, there's a white layer in your tongue. That's bacteria, and that's kind of disgusting. So make sure you cover your inner cheeks and you brush your teeth. This is the proper way to do it. See, there's pictures. It's also demonstrated. The next thing you have to do is to floss. Why is flossing important? Make sure you floss before every brush. According to About.com, you have to hug your tooth in a C-shaped form around your teeth to remove plaque in between your teeth that also create acid and produce dental decay. Wrap your fingers and stretch tightly between your thumbs and move carefully up and down, sliding between all the sides of your teeth. Get right under the gum line. But you have to be careful because if you pull too hard on the floss and you rip it, and you can actually hurt your gums, and that can create dental trauma. Gum trauma. That can also cut your gums, and that's really painful. You don't want to do that. No. This is the proper way. Now, the next thing you have to do is mouthwash. Did you know that mouthwash isn't actually necessary? Because according to ABC, Virtual Medical Center, if you brush and floss your teeth properly, you shouldn't need mouthwash. It's more like a deodorant. When you come out of your shower and you put deodorant, it makes your body smell good. And there's actually mouthwashes that contain chlorhexidine gluconate that are actually damaging to your teeth. alcohol in these mouthwashes actually can damage your taste buds. And it can actually stain your teeth if you leave your mouthwash in your mouth too long. According to Now remember, class, you have to brush your teeth. You have to floss your teeth before you brush. But it's not necessary to use mouthwash because it can damage your teeth. So make sure you buy mouthwash that does not have alcohol in it, because that way it prevents you from having a hurt mouth. I mean, when you put Listerine in your mouth, it hurts your mouth. Like, it starts to burn you. It's actually damaging your taste buds. Like, that doesn't feel good. Buy mouthwash that tastes good and that is not damaging to you. Brush once or twice a day, preferably after every meal. Floss before brushing. Visit the dentist at least 3 times a year so you can check up on your dental cavities. Make sure that your teeth are healthy. So, reduce the statistics of how many people brush their teeth daily. You don't want to be in that 51% of men who don't brush their teeth. So now, as you go out, I'm going to give you all a brand new toothbrush because you're supposed to replace it every 3 months. Because if you don't replace it every 3 months, actually bacteria can accumulate in your toothbrush, which instead of cleaning your teeth, you're actually rubbing a brush of bacteria into your teeth, which is disgusting. So, here, Joel. You get a tongue scraper. Don't be picky.
Hey, Danny.
Tongue scraper. Yes.
Thank you, Danny.
Thank you, class.
All right, let's give it up for Daniel. Well done. Excellent job.
Stop it. Stop it.